Hello, I'm Sean Prout, Director of Financial Services for the Crown Automotive Group. In this segment of our consumer education series, I wanted to speak to and maybe shed some light on financial and asset protection products that you're eligible for when making a purchase, finance, or leasing a vehicle. The question I'm asked most often is, do I have to purchase the financial and asset protection product? The answer to that question is you are always in control. Whether you're making a cash purchase, a finance, or a lease, you're always in the driver's seat with regards to making a decision as how you're going to protect your vehicle and your finances. Purchasing, financing, or leasing a vehicle is often the second largest purchase in someone's life. At the Crown Automotive Group, our financial services managers will take the time to explain and answer any questions that you have regarding the financial and asset protection products that you're eligible for, so that you're in a position to make a sound decision. At the Crown Automotive Group, we make car buying easy. Visit us online at www.crownautogroup.ca or in person at any of our 7 locations.